Okay, let's start our today's proceeding. Choose the correct answer to the question from the given picture. Some information is also available. Different car users, those who are using this car, and mechanical engineer who is dealing with the engine concept. According to this figure and its information that is provided, which one it indicates? 1C abstraction, D, C and D. One more we got, inheritance. Maximum are dealing with C and D. Okay. Okay, can you tell me in which sense, according to the figure, by looking at the figure, how you thought that it is an abstraction, and by looking at this figure, how you can thought that it is an inheritance? Sorry, I think C and D is given. B is also given. Abstraction or the background details regarding the working of the car are kept hidden from the driver. Okay, but have you marked this one, and have you marked this one? C abstraction. Okay, can you tell me, different users are using this, different users are using this, so can we call this as a data member? And the mechanical engineer is dealing with this mechanism, how it is working, how it is inheritance. Obviously there is nothing called inheritance over here. Is it clear? Nothing, it is related to inheritance, and it is nowhere related to polymorphism. There is a clash between these two, where abstraction says that it hides the inner implementation. So how it is going to be implemented, it is hidden from the user who is using this. But here it is taking about different users are using this car. Different users are using this car, and the method is applied to mechanical engineer. Mechanical engineer is applying this one, and both of this, different user and mechanical engineer, are dealing with this car. So what it indicates? Again I am repeating, different users are using this car. That's why here other peoples are given in the figure, and mechanical engineer is dealing with the concept, how exactly it is working, the motion of it. So both of them, different user and mechanical engineer, both are dealing with this. So what exactly it is indicating? It is indicating encapsulation, wrapping of these two. These two concepts are wrapped in this car. Hence, as per my concept, it is encapsulation. Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you? Now, after explanation, I think yes, Ayushman has changed his answer. Identify the operator that gets the highest priority while evaluating the given expression. Only concentrate on this expression and tell me the highest priority on which the operation is going on. Will be done first. Quick to everybody, quick to give the answer. It's given C and B. Again, a conflict lies between C and B. Okay. It is asking about the highest priority while evaluating this expression. I'm really surprised some students of class 10 is giving wrong answer. Okay, we can see that modulo and multiplication both are having same priority. So if in an expression we are having same priority, then it will evaluate from left to right. Hence, which one is having indirectly highest priority in this expression? It is modulo. Hence, this will be our answer. Okay, hope everybody has understood. As Subramse also given you the explanation to help you how exactly it is not multiplication. Somebody has given multiplication. Some students, I can say, maximum has given modulo operator. Next one, don't get don't get hurried for this one. Shohan also helping you to understand how exactly the answer is this one. Again, I'm repeating, don't get hurried to answer this one. Check this one clearly, then give your answer. Why error? Can you send me your name again? Jerry998. Why it is error? And what's your name? Mohit Verma. Why it is error, Mohit? Sir, or the comma is missing between the parameter. Where the comma is missing? Charan, where the comma is missing? Maximum are saying option B. So comma is missing, so runtime error. I don't know where you are looking for the comma. Ah yes, we got the explanation from the candidates. Yes, nice answer given to you people. In math.floor, we don't use comma. It takes only one parameter. Nice explanation, Pratyusha. Thanks, Pratyusha, for helping others. Good explanation. Those who are saying error, it's a nice explanation given by Pratyusha and a nice explanation given by Jaydev also. Subramsu, look at this. They are explaining you how you got the answer. Okay, so let's start. The answer is minus 6.0 because minus 1.5 and minus 3.6. It will result minus 5.1 and the single parameter is given to math.flow where it will round down to the nearest integer In case of negative, it is minus 6.0. Hence, option B is the correct answer. I think maximum student has given this one. Very good. Mohit, understood? Next one. Very good. That's why this platform is most vital for everyone. If somebody is unable to get it, there are so many students are available in this live class who can explain you the detail, how exactly it is working, why my answer is wrong, your answer is correct, or X answer is wrong and Y answer is correct. How exactly it is evaluated. Good going, students. Option D. Those who have not given their name and class, kindly send your name and class so that I can keep a track how many students has given how many correct answer and where you are having problem, where I can give more emphasis to help you to score little bit more. So I am repeating, those who have not given their name and class, kindly send your name and class so that I can keep a track of it. Okay, maximum student has given D. Can anybody explain or it will take a little bit more time to explain? Look at over here, answer is D. How it is? Because CH of one position, CH is an array whose one position, this is 0 position, this is 1 position, contains A, whose ASCII value is 65. Why we are considering ASCII value? Because arithmetic operator is used. Next one, CH of 3. What is CH of 3? This one is your CH of 3. 0. And its ASCII value is 48, which is multiplied. 65 into 48 will give me 3120. Okay. Next question. It is not available in the slide. I am sending you the question. Which one is not required part in the question, or we can say after removing which part it will give me same answer. Try to understand the question what I am asking. It is not available in the slide. Which part of the question is unnecessary? Even if I am going to remove that part, it will work exactly in the same way and we are going to get the same output. What is the unnecessary part? We won't require explicit type conversion. Good. We don't need explicit type conversion because it will be done automatically. Next question. INT in display. Type conversion in display is not required. Very good. Not necessary. Very good. Very good. I'm ready with the next question. Where is the question or the part of the program? That's why I said that it is not available in the slide. I am just sending the question based on the existing question. Five D. Reason? $65 because of ASCII. May I know your name whose answer I am ignoring? I am unable to know your name. Send me your name and class so that I can see and I can tell you about your answer also. So the correct answer is 65. Then how it is 65? Math dot mean. Out of these two, which one is minimum? 1 or 0? Already explanation is available. I don't need to explain, I think. Yes. Somebody has given, I'm ignoring his answer. So tell me your name so that I will not ignore your answer. Which of the following loop will iterate 10 times? But I have skipped that one because nice explanation given by so many candidates. I don't think those who are unable to understand, they can get nicely from your answer. But still, if they have any problem, they can ask, because I need to cover more questions. Last class we couldn't able to complete. Sir, I am Anuja from class 10th. Which school, Anuja? Anuja, you are belongs to which school? 6A. Somebody has given D. A. A. Correct. Sohan and so many candidates, everybody. Check the question again. Okay, fine, thank you. So do I need to explicitly tell you check again? Why don't you check your answer from the beginning? Harshit, both A and C. Can you tell me, Harshit, how it is A and C? Just make a rough dry run. Just make a rough dry run to understand. So answer is option B, which is modified by maximum of the students. Look at this, it will iterate 11 times because you can see 10 is included and 30 is included. If you see 10 is true, one time, 12, then 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. 28 is 10 times. Then 30. 30 less than equals to 30 is also true. Hence it is 11 times. And in this one it is 10 times because 30 is not included but 10 is included. It is equivalent to start from the 0 to 10. And here it is 11 times because 32 itself is included. And here it is 9 times. Hope everybody has understood. Yes, nicely explained by someone over here. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Yes, very good. Good, nice explanation. So don't get hurried to give the answer. Take your time, confirm it. This is MCQ. No option is available. No step marking is available for this. "99. Subramsu. 98 also we got. 99 I got initially. Okay. Fine. How it is possible? Because lowercase a is 97 plus 1 is 98. Even if it is in the form of character, because plus operator is used, it will convert to its ASCII value. Next question. Yes, students, you got the explanation also. A ASCII value is 97. After, therefore, plus 1. A plus 1 is got 98. Option B. 8B. Acha, 8B. 8B. Acha, now we got few different answer. Someone is saying 98, someone is saying B. Arnav, can you explain how it is B? Now I'm getting everybody's answer 98, but last time I got many candidates they have given B. Beta, this is an unnecessary, this is an useless things that is available. It is having no effect on the code because character A, CH also itself is in the form of A, character. So I don't need to explicitly convert it to character. Type conversion will be done first. Thereafter, it will become A only. Now, it is equivalent to the previous question. A plus 1, we got 98. If I will put this one in a parenthesis, then I will get B. Understood everyone? If I will put parenthesis over here, then it will give higher priority to CH plus 1. CH is A, 97 plus 1 will get 98. Then 98 will be converted into character, which will make it B. Hope everybody has understood why it is not B, why it is 98. Plus CH. Now this time everybody, I think, coming to a track to give the correct answer. थोड़ा बहुत बीच में आपका फंबलिंग हो रहा है, because this one is equivalent to CH is equal to CH plus 1. The result is going to be stored in CH, which is of character type. Hence it is B. Question number 10. Roshni, I think you joined late. Mohit, why you are deleting your answer? If somebody is going to delete the answer, it is not going to be visible to other candidates, but it is visible to me who has deleted. Its explanation already given. ये जो है इसका आंसर ऑलरेडी मैं दे चुका हूं यहाँ पे. Plus plus CH indicates CH is equal to CH plus 1, and CH plus equals to 1 indicates CH equal to CH plus 1. In both the cases, the data is updated in CH, which is of type character. Hence, it will be in the form of character only. Next. Question number 11. Syntax error. Somebody is saying B. Someone is saying B. Someone is saying syntax error. And your answer is given by Jadeep. Why it is going to generate error? Because it is a constant, and we know what is constant. A constant whose value cannot be altered, cannot be changed. And here it is trying to change the value of a constant. Hence it is going to generate error. Ayushman Chaudhary, good. Vaishali, Devtus, good. Nice explanation. Question number 12. Question number 12. First candidate is Ayushman Sahu. Question number 12 is also having syntax error. Ayushman Sahu. Question 12. Students are saying it is 49. Correct answer. This time it is not modifying the constant. It is performing an arithmetic operation. Is it clear? Plus plus indicates x plus plus. That indicates x is equal to x plus 1. Hence the result is stored in x. Hence it is going to generate an error. But here it is not storing anywhere. It is simply adding. The ASCII value of 0 is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. Next question number 13. Syntax error. 13 syntax error. क्या लिखा हुआ सिंटेक्स एरर और एसओपी डज नॉट टेक्स टू पैरामीटर. अच्छा बेटा, आई डिड अ मिस्टेक इन द क्वेश्चन. लेट मी मॉडिफाई द क्वेश्चन. एक मिनट बेटा, आई डिड अ मिस्टेक इन द क्वेश्चन. नाइस ऑब्जर्वेशन. नाइस ऑब्जर्वेशन बेटा, नाइस ऑब्जर्वेशन. थोड़ा जल्दबाजी हो गया यहाँ पे. Now you can answer. Yes. That's why I'm saying why it is going to syntax error. After that I have seen that I did a mistake there. Okay, now tell me. There is 1, somebody is saying 5. Maximum students are saying 1. Okay. Fine. Correct answer it is, but it is 1.0, which is the only candidate that is Ayushman Sahu. I think none of the candidate has given 1.0. Everybody has given 1. It is pow function. Its return type is double. Next one. Next one. 5.0. Okay, it's correct answer. If someone needs explanation, kindly send your requirement because maximum students are giving the correct answer. So I'm not explaining. But still, if someone is required, someone wants the explanation, I will explain next part. Saina, I think you joined late. So answer is wrong in the screen. Ah, yes. इलेवन क्या क्या आ रहा है आंसर 15 का ना यस 11.0 because 65 plus 56 is 121 because of return type is we know it is double that's why it is 11.0 good next question good going yes correct answer it is going to generate a runtime error that is name is NaN where NaN stands for not a number very good 97 yes 98 कैसे आ रहा है how it is 98 beta this is lowercase a this is capital A and out of this two this is 97 this is 65 because it is implicitly going to convert the character to integer because it takes integer as a parameter out of these two 97 is the maximum hence it is going to display 97 somebody has given 98 for him the explanation is given question number 18 not an issue This is the class to make a revision to avoid the errors that you are not going to commit in the board examination, Arnab. Don't get harassed for this. I'm taking an extra pain at this late night to make you understand that avoid these kind of errors in the examination. Don't do these kind of errors in the examination. Someone is saying minus 3.0, someone is saying minus 2.0. Why this difference is coming? Why such difference is coming? How it can be minus 3.0? Evaluate it properly. Yes, now I'm getting the correct answer. Look at this. Mac dot floor minus 2.5 will generate minus 3.0, which is added to 0.2. So we got positive 0.2, hence we got minus 2.8, which is a parameter. Minus 2.8 is given as a parameter to sale function. Hence we got minus 2.0. I'm not getting what you are saying, Subransu. If it is 0.2, it would be minus 2.0. Look at the question, Subransu. Point is available over here. Those are saying syntax error. Specify me the reason why it is a syntax error. So your class got delayed. I was seeing students answering question 19, but the slide was not visible. Now how the students are giving answer for 19? Syntax error because the method is digit text character as a parameter, not number. Okay. Okay, fine. Let me show you something. I think you people have missed out some live class. I think everybody is getting the Java screen now. Everybody is getting Java screen now. Can you able to see the output? Now check the output. It is implicit type conversion where the character parameters is passed. Okay, now got it? If I am giving A, it is going to generate error now. Now it will think that it is a variable, hence it is going to generate an error. But in case of constant, it will implicitly convert it into character form. Is it clear? But as he said that if I am going to send 48, then what is going to happen? 48 is an ASCII value for a character. 0 is a digit, hence we are getting digit. Got it now? Who has given the question? Subramsu. These are implicitly converted. Sir, in your question it is -1. Beta, same thing, beta, negative numbers. Is it clear? Numbers are implicitly converted. We are not keeping track of what is the character form of this one. Is it clear? We don't remember, only we are remembering A to Z, capital A to Z, lowercase a to z, 0 to 9, space, whichever is required. But you know, in case of Unicode, every character is going to be converted. Whatever symbol that we are getting, everything is going to be converted. We are not remembering, that is different issue. Hope everybody has understood. If I am going to give 65, 65 is an alphabet, hence it is going to give false. It's not ASCII beta, it is characters are in the form of Unicode. Java supports both ASCII and Unicode. Is it clear, Subransu? Because you people are in 10th class, so we used to tell everyone it's an ASCII form, ASCII form, ASCII form. Got it better? So according to this, what is the answer? Now what will be the answer? I think Vaishali, I told the rotational ASCII value, an integer can or character can store up to a certain range. Beyond that range, it will move towards the negative part. I think you people, 10th class people, might have asked this question to me, and I told with the help of 4-bit nibble example. According to that mechanism, because we have signed and unsigned number. Okay, fine. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 20. अच्छा, आपको ऑप्शन सही पल्ले में पड़ गया आप लोगों का। ऑप्शन थोड़ा मुझे चेंज करना था। Everybody has remembered that the written type of compared to is int. Okay, fine. If it is none of this, then what is the answer? No, no, I don't have. Only one copy is available this time, Subhranshu. Yes, -2. Subhranshu, I don't have. Only one copy I am maintaining this time. जब स्पेशली आपका कंपेयर टू स्ट्रिंग मेथड आएगा उसमें वैरायटी क्वेश्चंस आएगा स्पेशली रिलेटेड टू कंपेयर टू। अभी सब में से एक एक सैंपल आएगा, रिवीजन में एक एक सैंपल आएगा बस। ऐप कंटेन्स 3, a is compared with a is equal, p is compared with p is equal, p is compared with p it is equal. Now we don't have these two character which is missing, so here it will consider this is 3, this is 5, and subtracted value will be my result. Not an issue, not an issue. No problem, Jadesh. Only we have single model of everyone. Earlier we used to give different variety of questions of compared to, बट यहाँ पे एक एक मॉडल मिलेगा आपको सब में से रिवीजन के लिए। वो भी लास्ट टाइम आपका 30 क्वेश्चन मिस हो गया, लास्ट लाइव क्लास में 30 क्वेश्चन आपका मिस हो गया लास्ट में। कौन सा ही अभी 21। आप लोग अपना आंसर डिलीट क्यों मार रहे हो? हर्षित आपने डिलीट मार दिया, सरोज सतपथी आपने भी डिलीट मार दिया। क्यों डिलीट मार रहे हो बेटा? कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बेटा, बाद में मुझे देख के तो पता चलेगा आप क्या गलत किए थे, क्यों गलत किए थे, मुझे आपको एक्सप्लेन करने में इजी रहेगा। बेटा आप क्या सोच के ये आंसर दिए थे कि ऐसा नहीं होगा ये ऐसा होगा, एंड आई विल बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन यू। Okay, correct answer. Option C is not going to generate any error message. It's especially not a syntax error because array dot length is not having any syntax error. You might be thinking that logical error, but there is no logical error because it is not saying that what output exactly it wants to see, what output it is actually requirement of this question. Then there is no question of logical error. Runtime error, there might be a chance of runtime error, but memory is allocated, that is 0, so hence its length is 0. Very good. Now it is going to generate error message because this is only declaration. Memory is not allocated. If memory is not allocated, then how I can find out the length? Hence it is going to generate an error, syntax error. Very good, very good. Excellent everyone. Why runtime error? Ayushman, memory is not allocated, beta. Memory is not allocated. Then how I can get the length? Ayushman, sir, it can be runtime error. Why it is runtime error, beta? Memory is not allocated, I am saying. There is no memory. ARR is not created, it is declared. For example, if I am directly using X, it is going to generate syntax error because its data type is not specified. Like this, memory is not allocated to ARR. ARR is not created. How I can access its properties? Got it? Ayushman, why it cannot be runtime error? Ayushman Sahu, hope you might have understood why it is not runtime error. It is an incomplete time error. क्या लिखा है आपने? It is an compile time error. The compiler during the compilation finds that there is no value. Not no value. Previously also there was no value when I was allocating the length of the array as 0. B. Good. Right. 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 जितना क्लोज आप एग्जाम आ रहे हो उतना सही जा रहे हो. बिगिनिंग में थोड़ा आपका हिल रहा है. So I am having a suggestion that when you start your answer in your board examination, don't get hurry. सारे लाइव क्लास में मैं देख रहा हूँ थोड़ा बिगिनिंग में आप हिलते हो फिर लास्ट में संभल जाते हो आप लोग. None of this because it is told about the array creation. The size of the array that signifies the number of elements it can store is given using the square bracket. Which one beta you are talking about? 23B. Yes, got it. Next one. In the higher classes, we'll get to know how about even a constant or an array can get default value. So I thought it won't have any value. Acha, got it, got it. 16. Option D and 16. Now why we are going to get 16? Size 4 into 4 bytes of size of int is 4 bytes and array size is 4. Good. Vaishali, you missed out your explanation ability. Size of the array is 4 and size of the integer is 4. Look at this, how others are explaining. Recall your old days, Vaishali, and start explaining as you was doing earlier. Yes, number of element is 4, size of the integer is 4 bytes, and each element holds 4 bytes. And very good. Excellent, excellent. Very good. Option B is the answer. Now, if the data type is character, if the data type is character, अच्छा ठीक है फिर वैशाली 8 bytes because char occupies 2 bytes. Some people are giving it is yes. Good. Correct answer. Next one. 25. Find the output. Got it, students? Very good, Arpita. Nice one. Question number 25. Got the first candidate who has given the answer is Sohan this time. Very good, Sohan. 25, you got 12. But Jadev says it is 18. Roshni, you are late. You are giving previous answer. 10 bytes. Jadev, everyone is saying 12. You are saying 18. Can you justify your answer to others? Good, correct answer. I don't think anyone needs any explanation. Already your senior Arpita has explained you the reason. At first the value D is 9, yes. Thereafter shorthand operator will have 9, good. Then D is equal to 3. Later on D is assigned with 3, good. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Find it the output. Next one. Syntax error. Brackets are needed. Where I miss the bracket? Supransu, where I miss the bracket? Syntax error as in Boolean true and false must be in lowercase. "25" it was asking, are the brackets needed? 25. Where you are asking for bracket? Question number 25. Sir, I was is asking if brackets of b is equal to 3 is needed. अरे ना बेटा, to give more emphasis on b equals to 3 to make you puzzle that because bracket is given, so it will give emphasis on this one. Which one? B is equal to 3. So students will think that 3 is assigned to D. So D value is 3 and D plus equals to 3. The previous shorthand operator D is also 3. So they will make 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. To make them puzzle, this bracket is given. Subram, so understood? Excellent, excellent. Mind blowing, Arpita. Still, you are signing. Very good. Correct answer given by Arpita. Excellent, excellent, Arpita. Still, you have remembered each and everything that is taught to you in your 10th class, even after 2 years. Very good. Look at, even after 2 years of live class, she has remembered each and every explanation so nicely. Now you might have understood that why I have remembered you for every time. Very good, Arpita. Keep going, keep going. Show your potentiality in the plus 2 also. Which of these is an incorrect statement? Acha, 10th class, do you need explanation or you want to check this one in program? You want to see is it working in the program or not? Because you might be confused with this capital T. But some other time I can show you. We are going to get late, so that's why I skipped out. At any time you can come and ask me, I will show you. Okay. So 27 is A. Which of these is the incorrect statement? Necessary to use new operator to initialize an array. Array can be initialized using comma separated expressions surrounded a curly bracket. Array can be initialized when they are declared. Array can be initialized when they are declared. None of the mentioned. Okay. Everyone is saying A. Everyone is saying A. Okay, excellent. It is necessary to use new operator. Necessary. New operator to initialize an array. To initialize an array, new operator is not required at all. Hence, सर प्रोग्रामिंग कब करोगे, आपको कौन सा प्रोग्राम चाहिए? बट आपने तो कमेंट सेक्शन में कुछ बताया नहीं, बताते तो प्रोग्राम भी कर लेते हम, आपने तो बताया ही नहीं विच प्रोग्राम यू नीड, स्ट्रिंग, मैट्रिक्स, एरे, कौन से पार्ट में आपको प्रॉब्लम है? मैंने कहा था इफ यू हैव एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम स्पेसिफाई इट इन द यूट्यूब कमेंट सेक्शन सो दैट आई कैन जनरेट material for that. Excellent. We don't need this one. Option A is the correct answer because for initialization curly bracket is required, new operator is not required. Find the output. We need new operator by creating an array. Correctly said Vaishali. While creating an array we need. While initialization, while declaration we don't need. One other method of initializing example is this is beyond your subject limit. बेटा 10th में ये नहीं हो सकता जयदेव, not this one बेटा, TID, yes, TID, correct, because NA of C is having 0 position, dot char at 0 position, this is 0, this is 1 and this is 2, so that means every word's first character and it is converting it to uppercase, so answer is TID. Very good. Wow, Harshit, very good. Cursor in the same line. Very good, Harshit. Next, 29. Very good, Arnav. Nice explanation which will help other students to understand those who have not answered. Very good. Thanks, Akash, for wishing other students. May I know your original name and the class? Obviously, your best wishes is required for everyone. We got the answer is C. C is programming. So everybody has given the correct answer. Fine. C as the second parameter is not included. Very good. It's not going to include at the second parameter. So from I to M, this I is excluded. Good answer. Again find out the output. Reason substring int, the string is extracted till the second parameter index value -1 index position. Good. Because it will extract from I of is, then it will extract till M as I will be excluded. in the substring with second parameter. Sir, I am a student of class 10th from Raigada district. Okay. It is a label beta. I think you was not there in this live class. So that's why you are asking. So चलो इसका कोई फायदा नहीं, अगर आप ये टोटल नहीं जानते, ये समझाना आपको मुश्किल हो जाएगा. This is called label break. You might have not attend this particular live class. Two type of break is there. It is a label break. Okay, अभी कुछ नहीं हो सकता. चलो आई एम स्किपिंग दिस वन. एक्सप्लेनेशन में बहुत टाइम लगेगा. But a bubble shot this time I don't think it is possible. It is already 9:53 beta. Akash, I am extremely sorry. It is 9:53 beta. And we are almost going to wind up. If possible, tomorrow we can do. Or you can get the bubble shot from my YouTube playlist. Shorting and searching, Mr. Akash. Logical error. Identify the error. We have syntax error because R is a local variable. Nice. First part is correct. Syntax error. अरे यार, C नहीं है, ये R होगा. R. Look at over here. A for loop can execute only one statement, and the inner for loop can execute only one statement. That means this is outside the for loop, and R is declared inside the for loop. Hence, it is a local variable. It cannot be accessed over here. Everybody has understood. Few candidate has given logical error. For them, the explanation is given. Okay. Next part. Use curly bracket in appropriate place so that this is not that. This is so that the last print statement will be a part of outer loop. Got the question number 32, what it is asking for? It is asking use the curly bracket in appropriate place so that the last print statement will be a part of outer loop, not inner loop. After the outer for loop, yes, got it, Ansika, but if I am opening a curly bracket, I must have to close it. After the outer for loop, give opening curly bracket, and after the last statement, we should give closing curly bracket. Like this, exactly, like this, Jadev, very good. Before the inner for loop and after the print statement, which has R, or we can say after the last print statement. Good. We can write this way also. Very good, very good. Opening curly bracket after the outer for loop statement, and closing curly bracket after the printing statement of R. Very good. Correct answer. After the first for loop and after the last print statement. Of output, what will be the output after making the correction? बेटा आई एम गेटिंग टायर्ड, अब थोड़ा बंद कर देंगे, इसके बाद और भी है, बट आई डोंट हैव पेशेंस नाउ, आई एम गेटिंग टायर्ड बेटा, अब मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा बेटा, टायर्ड लग रहा है। After the outer for loop opening curly bracket and after the last print statement we can give the closing curly bracket. It's fine. Very good. Now after making the correction, what will be my output? One two one one two two. Cursor. Very good, Aisman Chaudhary, because print statement is available. So cursor obviously will be in the same line. Very good. ऐसा स्पेस देने से नहीं होगा प्रत्युषा, इन बिटवीन यू हैव टू स्पेसिफाई स्पेस, योर 121 एंड 122 दोनों के बीच में स्पेस आएगा प्रत्युषा। Is it clear? And after 122 we have a space and cursor position which is most appropriate, but in between pratyusha it is required. Okay, so I think we should wind up now. So finally, which question you like most? चलो ये तो लास्ट क्लास है, नहीं और नहीं होगा बेटा, मुझसे गलती हो जाएगा फिर। Which question you like most? Can we have live class for ISC class 12 part MCQ? बेटा ये तो अभी बहुत डिफिकल्ट है बेटा, पहले बोल देते तो मटेरियल बन जाता।